In particular, if a z-score is between -3 and 3, then it is likely to happen. If it's between -3 and 3. So this one is -1.17. So this one is not unusual. This is likely to happen, is what we're saying. Sorry. Okay. What about this one for 85 pounds? Well, what about this dog's z-score? Well, let's see. Same thing. We want to know if it's unusual for this breed. Well, we have 85 pounds, right? Let's find its z-score. We plug it in. Again, the mean we were given is 62. The standard deviation was 6. So we have 85 minus 62 over 6. And if you do that, you get 23 over 6, which is about 3.83. So, it is, the z-score is bigger than 3. And as on the slide I just showed you, if you have a z-score greater than 3 or less than -3, it's pretty unusual. The value is pretty unusual. So here the z-score is greater than 3, 3.83. So this data value is, it's not common. It's pretty unusual to happen. So 85 pounds is not something we would expect from this dog breed. For a dog from this breed to weigh 85 pounds, that's unusual. That's what we're saying. The next one here, we want to know the weights, the data values, that is, the dog weights, that correspond to 3 and -3, to those z-scores. So it's really just algebra is what we're doing. Basically, again, we're solving for x, but we're given z. So for 3 here, right, we have 3 equals x minus 62 over 6. Okay, I know we're running low on time. That's why I really want to get through this. So we want to figure out what x is. So it's just like before. We can solve by first multiplying by 6 because we eliminate the denominator. So these cancel. We get x minus 62 is 18. And then, we add 62 to both sides, and we get x is 80. So 80 pounds has a z-score of 3. And the same kind of calculations we do now for -3. In other words, we want to know what data value corresponds to -3. Well, it's the same kind of calculation. We have this. We multiply by 6. That takes away the denominator because the 6 is canceled. We add 62 to both sides. As you can see, we get x is 44. So 44 corresponds to -3. This again implies that data values between 44 and 80. So dogs with weights of this breed with weights between 44 pounds and 80 pounds, that's common. If a dog weighs more than 80 pounds or less than 44 pounds, that's very unlikely. Okay. Again, we're almost out of time. That's why I went through kind of quick. So I hope it made sense what I did.